What's up nerds, my name is Abdul Nafi. Welcome back to my brand new Blender course in which we will learn how to make these amazing realistic interiors or architecture visualization renders if you want to call them that. Now this course is extremely easy and is made for Blender beginners who have very little experience. However, you will be expected to know the basics like navigating the viewport, using the scale tool, rotate tool, move tool, etc. In this course, we're going to be covering the basics of modeling, texturing, lighting, and rendering inside of Blender so you can take your 3D art skills to the next level. Another good thing about this course is that this course will show you the raw process of a 3D artist in creating art. We're going to be creating all the projects and making all the creative decisions together. So what are you waiting for? Just start this class today and take your Blender skills to a whole new level. Thank you.